Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. My name is Shweta and today I'm going to discuss a very important topic, or I would say very common topic amongst a lot of you out there, and the topic is about hyperpigmentation and dark spots. So today I'm gonna show you how do I usually cover those hyperpigmentation and those dark spots. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, and without wasting any time, let's just begin. You can see I have some dark spots here, and I have the darkest possible dark circles since I guess I'm born. And I also have hyperpigmentation around my mouth area, if you can see here. So first I wanted to discuss few products that I think are the best to cover dark spots, dark circles, or hyperpigmentation. So first product I want to mention is this Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This concealer I'm using since ever, and this is very high coverage concealer. Say little bit give you a makeupy look. So if you are someone who don't do much makeup, or if you are someone who don't want to do more makeup, then this is another concealer for you guys. This is Nars Radiant Concealer, and this is also medium to full coverage concealer, but it does not give a much makeupy look. So that I have this color corrector here from Aucoin, and I hope I'm pronouncing it right, Aucoin. Okay, anyways, so this color corrector is in shade SX11, and it looks like this. It is kind of a creamy mousse, and it's worth the money and worth to give a try. And this is another I would say mousse or concealer mousse. This one is from Glossier, and this is in shade Deep. Just use this mousse because this is so creamy. You don't require any foundation or anything top of this. So this mousse you can just apply with your finger, and you just have to make sure that it is kind of mixed with your color properly. So today I'm going to use this Aucoin color corrector, and I'm going to show you how it works. So first of all, while starting a makeup, I already moisturized my skin, and I'm going to prime my skin using priming water. So I'm taking this small concealer brush, and I'm going to dip it in this. So I'm going to use only this much product, and I'm going to apply directly over the area where I think I need color correction. So I'm done with my color correction. I'm sorry, but I'm looking really weird, but this is how it looks. And now you can actually use a foundation which is very low coverage, or I would say low coverage to medium coverage, and you'll be still good. I mean, you don't need to use high coverage or full coverage foundation. So today I'm going to use my Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation in the shade Y445. I want to show you guys how using a medium coverage foundation, it still hides your hyperpigmentation or dark spots. So I have taken product only this much foundation on my hand, and I'm gonna just apply it all over my face above this color corrector I have applied. So to spread the actual foundation, you might want to use Beauty Blender, because you don't want to move this color corrector you have already applied above the dark spots or above the hyperpigmentation area. If you're gonna use brush, it's gonna move that product and it's gonna spread it on the area where you don't want it actually. So make sure you use beauty blender or you use a brush using which you can actually push your foundation inside. So generally I use beauty blender when I'm color correcting my skin. This damp beauty blender and I'm just gonna tap it over my skin and I'm just gonna spread my foundation. So after, as you can see, it covered my dark circles, it covered the hyperpigmentation around my mouth, and it also covered my dark spots. So if you still want, you can use concealer to highlight your nose or highlight your forehead. But today I'm not gonna use it. So make sure you set up your makeup always, like always. Even if you don't like the powder finish of your makeup, if you want your makeup to be long lasting, you should always set your makeup with some of the powders, like use loose setting powder, use compact powder. So I'm just gonna dab this product. To save your time, I'm gonna do the next steps like bronzing and contouring off the camera, and I'll be back. So I want to give you a quick update about my new favorite lip pencils, or I would say a lipstick in the shape of pencils, and they are super good. They are nothing but a traditional lipstick but in the pencil form. I really like this form because you can really reach to the small corner areas without pressing your lipstick, because it has very pointy tip, and it also has a sharpener at the back which you can use to sharp the top of the lipstick, and they are available in super fabulous colors, and I really like this color a lot. This color is Power, and I also have Control. I have to rush it because the sun is going down and I'm totally dependent on the natural light for this video. So this is my complete look, guys. I hope you really enjoyed this video, and sorry for the light because I only depend on the sunlight for these videos, and that is one of the reason I'm not posting frequently recently, because this is a winter season and you don't get much sunlight in winter. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.
I want to hold you. I love you. Hold me down like a shot.